Hey, Tech Life Ninjas here. Hope you're having a good day today. So today we're looking at how to create a photo in Google Gemini. So to start with, you need to create a prompt, and the more detail you can put into that prompt, the better your photo will look. So I've used my notepad to create a prompt here. So it says, create a photo image of a man and a woman sitting by the fire with white walls and modern furniture in a realistic style and a warm and cozy vibe. The couple are wearing pajamas and are happy and content. One is reading a book and the other is watching TV. There's a bunch of vibrant, colourful flowers in the vase on the side table. So I'm just going to copy that. I'm going to put it into Google Gemini and let's see what we get. So to start with, I'm also going to click on create an image as well. And you'll be asked to pick a style for your image. So as we're going for a photo, I'm going to choose something that most looks like a photo. Let's have a look. Which one? Oh, this self-portrait, that looks quite like a photo. So I'm going to click on self-portrait. Then I'm going to paste my prompt in and click enter. So then you need to give Gemini AI just a few seconds to generate your image. And then you can also add in different sort of prompts to edit the image if it's not exactly as you want. And you can keep doing that until you basically get something exactly like you want. So let's see, hopefully this will create in a minute. So let's have a look what it's created for us. So as you can see, that's pretty realistic. It's given me the couple, they're both wearing pajamas. Their background looks really modern, and there's that bunch of flowers in the background, and there's the fire as well. But if I didn't like something, I could ask Google Gemini to edit it, and I could keep doing that until I get what I want. So that's how to create a photo with Google Gemini. I hope that was helpful. Please like the video and subscribe. I will see you soon.